Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to be opening up Binance and you're going to be clicking on the arrow to the right hand side of the screen. And then you're going to be moving over to Spot. Then you're also going to be moving to Withdraw. Now, once at Withdrawal, we're going to be clicking on BNB. We click on Send via Crypto Network. And from here, we minimize and head over to our Trust Wallet application. We input the passcode as usual. Once that's done, we click on Smart Chain. Click on Receive. We copy the wallet address and head back to Binance. We long press to paste. We paste it in. Check the network, and we're going to be using the BEP20. That's the BNB Smart Chain. Scroll down, max, and we're going to be clicking on Withdrawal. You ensure that the network is correct. You click on Confirm. And it heads you over to the security verification screen. Once the verification is done, you'd be gaining access to your withdrawals. Okay guys, and our withdrawal becomes processing once you've inputted the security verification codes. We now head back and we head straight to Trust Wallet. And we reload and reload and reload, and boom, our Smart Chain BNB has arrived as it said it would. Alright guys, that's how you transfer your BNB from Binance to your Trust Wallet application. Comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.